In this Stan Store tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Stan Store link in bio as a creator so you can add your Stan link to your Instagram and TikTok account and start making money off of your content. I'll show you how you can set up the look and feel of your Stan Store, how to set up your freebie / opt-in to start collecting emails, how to set up a digital download, how to set up booking calls, and how to set up an e-course all within Stan. So keep on watching. In case you're new here, I'm Sarah. I help content creators, brands, and entrepreneurs create their digital influence by sharing different creation tips, tech tools, and gadgets to help you create your influence and workflows with ease. Having said that, let's get into this video. By the way, if you're interested in trying Stan Store for yourself, I have left a link in the description below where you can try it out completely free for 14 days. Again, that link is in the description below. Branding your Stan Store. All the setup pages I'll be showing you today will be housed in the My Store tab within Stan. But before we get to that, let's first set up the basic information and overall periods of your Stan Store so that when a customer lands on your page, it looks professional and they feel enticed to make a purchase from you. To first set up your link in bio, you'll want to fill out your basic details and social media handles. Now to do this, simply you will click the pen tool next to your name. This will open up another window where you can add your profile picture, your display name, a short bio if you wish, and your social media handles. To add your profile picture, you'll simply click the plus button and find your picture. Now to add your social media links, you'll just input your handles, and when you click more socials, you can add any other social media channels you have for your brand here. As you'll see, the mobile phone mock-up on the right-hand side will show you exactly how your Stan Store will look when it's done. When you've finished in this area, you'll click Save. To edit the look and feel of your overall store, you'll click Edit Design and you'll be able to scroll through all the different design options that would be best suited to you and your store. I personally love the Stan Classic because it's just simple and not too overwhelming to look at. Now, once you've chosen your design, you can choose your different colors and fonts at the bottom of the page. Once you've made all your desired updates, you'll press Save and head back to your store where I'll show you how to set up your freebie or opt-in. Your freebie / opt-in is an important part of your business as this is a way to grow your email list. Having an email list is crucial in the online space because you don't technically own your followers on any social media platform. And should Instagram or TikTok or YouTube disappear tomorrow, you will have no way to contact your audience. The only list that you do own is your email list, so it's really important to think early on to find a way to collect your audience's information in order to stay in touch with them for when you're ready to offer them a product or service. To do this, click Add Product, click Collect Email / Applications, and from here you can customize your link. You can upload a thumbnail, add a title like Get My Free Ebook, a subtitle which will give your audience an idea of what they will receive when they click on your opt-in, and you can also customize your button to say whatever you want. Underneath these customizations, Stan will ask you what kind of information do you want to receive from your audience. Normally a name and email is more than enough, although you can add different fields such as checkboxes, a drop-down, multiple choice, or text options in this section as well. It will show you on the right-hand side what your free lead magnet will look like. When you click Product, this is where you will upload your PDF file. When you click Options, this will show you what your confirmation email will look like to your audience, and you can also customize this email that is sent to the person who received your freebie. In more advanced scenarios, you can add them to an email flow or to an email list that you've linked through Zapier, such as with ConvertKit or Flowdesk, etc. And just like that, you've created a freebie / opt-in for your audience to enjoy and for you to collect emails to grow your email list. Moving on to digital download. A digital download can be anything you wish to sell within your niche that you think would be super valuable to your audience. So this could be a PDF ebook or guidebook, a spreadsheet, a template, etc. And to start building out your digital downloadable product, you will click Sell a Digital Download. From here, you can pick a style, whether you want a button, a call out, or a preview, where you give your audience a little sneak peek of your product. It's honestly up to you. However, I personally think a call out works best for something that you wish to sell, as it just takes up more space in your link and bio. From here, you would choose your header image, a good title for your product, a subtitle to let your audience know what value they'll be receiving, and a call to action button like Buy Now. In the checkout page, you'll see another space for a title, a description of what the product is about and what your audience will receive, as well as another call to action before your pricing option. If you want to show an original price and a currently discounted price, you can also have the option to do that. In your options section, you can do a lot of things such as include some reviews on the page for your buyers to feel more confident in their purchase, add them to your email flow once again. You can customize your email page, add a thank you video if you wish, as well as some other features like an order bump, which you can unlock on the Creator Pro plan. To learn more about Stan, you can check out my entire overview overview video, which I'll leave a link in the description below and in the cards in the top right hand corner of this video. Moving on to booking calls. What's great about Stan is you can book calls on your calendar without needing a third-party software like Calendly. So instead, Stan has integrated all of this in one place for you, and you can integrate your calendar with other apps like Zoom as well. In addition to syncing with your Google Calendar, you can choose your availability, and you can also collect payments from your calls within Stan if you do one-on-one calls or consultations as well. To do this, simply click book a time on your calendar, then pick a style, whether it be a button, call out, or preview. Again, I prefer a call out for anything you really want your audience to see. You will set up this page very similarly as you would to your digital download, meaning your image, title, subtitle, and button. You will also set up your checkout page very similarly to your digital download with a title, description of the service that you're offering, a call to action button, and pricing. Additionally, if you're using this service as a discovery call or a one-on-one coaching session, you can include other questions that you'd want to know prior to the call, such as what are your short-term or long-term goals with X, or what are you currently struggling with, etc. When you head over to the options tab, you'll see how you would like to set up these calls. You can set up through Google Meet, Zoom, phone or email, etc. Now make sure you know which one you're selecting so you know how to prepare yourself for your call. You can pick the time zone and duration of the call. You can prevent people from booking calls with you within a certain number of hours of the current times of your availability. You can schedule buffer breaks before and after meetings, and you can show how far in advance someone can book a time with you. Once you've filled out all of this information to your liking, you can then set up your availability for taking calls. So maybe your call days are Tuesdays and Wednesdays between noon and 5 p.m. as an example. You can add reviews to this page, set up reminders for this meeting so that your client doesn't forget, as well as an initial confirmation email. Some of these other features are again only available on the Creator Pro plan. But as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to set up calls via Stan. Lastly, I will show you how to create an eCourse via Stan. Now, I really love the fact that you can host your own course through the Stan platform itself, which really takes out the friction of connecting other course softwares if tech is really overwhelming for you. To set up your eCourse, you will click eCourse, pick your style and your thumbnail image, a catchy title, a subtitle, and a call to action button. The checkout page is similar to that of the digital download page, but again, you will just fill out a description of the value that your viewer is going to be receiving, a call to action, and a purchase button. Below that, you will set your pricing. You'll see that you can do a one-time payment option or a subscription if this is something that you'll be charging a monthly fee for. As you can see, when you upgrade to the Creator Pro plan, you will also be able to offer payment plans and discount codes, which is a really great way to market with a sense of urgency. Underneath that, you can customize what information you'll need from your customer. When you click over to course, you'll see this is where you can start building out your course modules. Now, in the top two fields, you will write the course name, a summary explaining about the course and what the viewer will learn, and then from there, you can build out your modules. To add a module, simply click Add Module. You can name it whatever you like, and then click Confirm. Within the module, you can click Add Lesson. Now, when you click Lesson, you can write a brief description of what the viewer will learn in this one video lesson, then upload the video file in the video section, and add any additional supporting materials, whether it's a worksheet or a template that they can use. You can also view what your course will look like by hitting Preview Course. And when you've added all the materials to your course, just like that, you have a digital course to sell right from the Stan platform. Lastly, to copy this profile link to post into your link in bio, you will go to the top right-hand corner and copy your unique link, hop on over to Instagram or TikTok, go to Edit Profile and paste your link in the website section through their mobile apps. And just like that, you have your first few products and services that you can offer via Stan Store, which you can then copy and paste into your link in bio on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other social media platforms that you use. Now, if you want a 14-day free trial of Stan Store, I've left my link in the description below for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a creator, brand, or entrepreneur with whom you think this would really help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.